Well, I just caught my squirrel again for the second time today. My neighbor picked him up this morning, and while he was trying to transport him, the squirrel broke the cage, and the door on the cage got loose. So I refixed the door, put it out here, and lo and behold, it's a few hours later, and he's back in the cage. So I'm going to take him over to the park and let him go. Now he's in there. And he's kind of mad. But I'm going to take him over to the park and let him go. Well, here I am at Island Park again. And I've got my little friend here. I think he's going to like his new home. Hopefully he will. So I've got him down here and I'm going to let him go. He just went up that tree, so that's his new home for now. Over and out.